Is lesson 33 for trombone. We will play numbers 78 and 79. Alright, you should have already looked through and you should be ready to play it and to buzz it. First, let's buzz. Here's your first note. And 1, 2, ready. Did you get dynamics? Did you get the accidentals? Notice, measure 3 and measure 7. That first eighth note is an A natural. But there's a footnote right there that tells you that the next one is also A natural. That's what we talked about in the last lesson. When you have a flat, sharp, or natural in the music, like right here we have a natural, it carries through for that entire measure. After that measure, it goes back to normal. Okay, which in this case would be A flat. So make sure both A's are natural. Okay, now here is our code word for lesson 33. It is perseverance. Okay, I will write that on the board just so you can make sure that you get it. Make sure I got it in a good spot. This is perseverance. Oops, sorry. Perseverance. You already know what that means because you've seen it in band class. It's one of those pictures that we have on the wall. Perseverance is the second step towards character, which we've also talked about in class. Perseverance is the willingness to push through. Okay? When you have a problem, do you back away from it? Do you let somebody else solve it for you? Or do you persevere? Do you find it, fix it as best you can? That is perseverance. Perseverance, for me, is making these videos. Because these are a lot of videos that I've been making for every instrument. It takes a lot of time, but I'm persevering. I'm pushing through and I'm making these videos. Okay? Moving on to number 79. This is what's called a position exercise. We have all the same notes. I'm sorry, we have two notes that we'll be playing, but it'll all be with the same position. The A line teaches us that we can play our F in first, like we've been doing, or we can play it in sixth position. Same note, okay? So we're going to practice going through that. We're going to play the A part twice, okay? Here we go, A part only. 1, 2, ready. Sorry. That's my fault. I made a mistake. Let's try that again on that A line. 1, 2, ready. That went a little bit too far. But did you hear? I used my ears and I fixed it. Alright? You can play F in two different positions. You will learn that you can play most of your notes in at least two different positions. Sometimes 3, sometimes more. Okay? Look at the B line, and we're going to show you why we learn F in sixth position. If you see, we can go from F down to C without having to move our slide. Instead of, we can now do. Makes it so much easier to change notes. Alright, let's play the B line. 1, 2, ready. something that I didn't do. We play the A and the B lines only once. They have repeats. Okay? Now that you're used to it, you know how to make that slide position change. Now, let's play A and B, but let's all do it twice. So we're going to play the first 4 measures of the A line, repeat it, and then 4 measures in the B line, then repeat that, and then it'll be done. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. So, another thing I just demonstrated is make sure that you have plenty of room so your slide can go under your stand. Okay? Alright, thank you for joining me for lesson 33.